So France responded to my video about my first racist experience here. Ooh. Hey guys, it's your boy Roman and I'm here again with another video, and this week I will be doing something a little bit different. It's a little bit more serious, so put the fun and joke aside, it's a very serious topic. So I will be giving you an update about a video I did earlier this year about my first racist experience here in France. So if you guys have no idea what that video is about, just simply pause this video and check out this tag right here. Alright, so you've done it? Alright, so I'll just give you like a few minutes to do that. Alright, okay, so just do that. Yeah, do that. Alright, great. Alright, so if you've updated yourself, let's get into it. Alright, great. So for those who you were just too lazy to check the video, let me just give you like a 10-second recap. Alright, so a friend of mine, we were going shopping, we took the bus here and we bought an all-day pass, which meant that we could have traveled for the entire day on as many buses as we wanted to. And while doing that, we were told that we had to buy a new ticket, so we weren't allowed on the bus, blah blah blah. Check the video, guys, just check it out. And that was it. So anyway, what happened after I uploaded the video? First of all, I received some negative comments. When I say negative comments, I don't mean comments that were attacking me as a person, but things like, oh my god, France is racist, are you like surprised? Oh my god, white people are racist, that's so shocking. So personally, I don't like those negative stereotypical comments, because as I responded to some of the comments and as I've said to people, everywhere has good, everywhere has bad. Even back home in Jamaica, we have good things about Jamaica, we have bad things about Jamaica, good people, bad people. So here in France, good people, bad people, racist people, not racist people. And that's just how life is. You have a variety of people everywhere, so you can't just classify a country or a set of people based on the few misfits or the minority. And trust me, the negative people are usually the minority. I would just love to believe that, alright? Yeah. Alright, so an update of what happened exactly after I uploaded the video. So a classmate he approached me in class and he's like, hey, I saw your video, that's terrible. I think these things happen to me all the time, but no one does anything about it. What are you doing about it? And I'm like what can I do about it? I mean, I don't know. So he's like, well, you know, I know this lady who deals with X and Y and Z relation and people and stuff and blah blah blah. I'm like, okay, cool, I'm interested in talking to her. So he gave me her contact and I emailed her, and to be honest, her response was like, okay. I'm like, damn, like this is the lady I should have talked to. So I was just like, I was even turned off. But then she got back in touch with me and she was much more different. I was like, who did I talk to? Your evil stepsister or your evil twin? I don't know. But then she asked me to repeat the incident, and I repeated it even though I emailed it, and she was asking a lot of repetitious questions, and I was personally annoyed because I don't like being asked the same questions more than once, because it gives me the impression that you think that I'm lying or something. So I was like, but I was nice. I was pretty nice just because I wanted to get to the way and be nice. So after that, she's like, hey, so what I can do, I'll put you in touch with the owner, the director or something of the bus company. I was like, sure. Some long time afterwards, when I say long time, I'm exaggerating of course, I got a call from this is on the CEO of Marinair, which is the bus company here. He asked me again to explain the situation, which I've done a million times, and I explained it. Then he's like, oh, I'm sorry, blah blah blah. And that was good, because he is the first person within the bus company who apologized. When I went to the lady, I don't think she didn't apologize. She was just like, really? C'est vrai? Bah ouais? No, you know, she was just like listening to me as if I'm a random person making a random complaint. So I first of all acknowledge that I appreciate his apologizing. It was not for him to do, but it's the professional thing to do when someone within your organization messes up. You apologize on their behalf. Alright, good. So he asked me to send him some pictures of the tickets and so forth, and I did that. And after having done that, he said he'll get back in touch with me, but to be honest, he didn't. he didn't. And I just forgot about it. I'm like, anyway, last week I got an email and I was like,
Nani?
I've always wanted to say that. So I got this email and I was like, oh my god, they responded. I legitly forgot. So Personally, I was pleased with their response, so let me just tell you guys what it's about. C'est avec grande attention que j'ai pris connaissance de votre courrier de date 5 mars 2020, dans lequel vous me faites part de votre mécontentement concernant l'attitude de l'un de nos conducteurs. Beautiful introduction. I just think they just copied this to everyone, but I'm not trying to be a dick, but anyway, so good. So they went on to say, je comprends votre sentiment face à la situation que vous me relatez et le sens de votre démarche. Je vous informe que ce conducteur a été reçu à un entretien par son responsable hiérarchique afin qu'il s'explique sur les faits qui lui sont reprochés. Blah blah blah. The idea is that they recognize our plight and they addressed it. Alright, so this is what the last part says. Dans ces conditions, à titre commercial et caractère exceptionnel, nous souhaitons dédommager ces deux voyageurs et leur offrons ainsi à chacun un nouveau passe-journée. Alright, so in essence, guys, they had a meeting. They talked to the conductor, the driver. They resolved the problem, and I guess the entire organization will now be briefed about certain procedures and blah blah blah. So at the end of it, as I read, you would have seen that we can or we should or we will be reimbursed. We should be reimbursed upon presenting this letter to the boutique du Mariner, the office. However, when I got this email, I responded by saying I was reassured that, hey, go and get your ticket because you're entitled to one. And I said, honestly, thank you. However, my intent was never to get a new ticket. It was never to get a ticket, but it was just to raise a certain level of awareness. And the fact that this awareness was raised and due diligence was done, that is enough to make me feel contented. That is enough to make me say, okay, ça me fait du bien, ça me plaît. And so I'm just really happy at the response. I mean, it took some time, but the good thing is that it's better late than never. So I am more than grateful that they responded to my plight. However minute it would have been, even though the ticket cost like $1 or $2 or euros, nonetheless, the fact that they responded is, in my opinion, excellent excellent customer service response, right? So I must say, well done, Mariner, bravo. I will not be going to get that new ticket. It just cost like $2. If it cost like 100 euros, then of course, I mean, yeah. But I'm grateful for that. But anyways, guys, as you would have noticed in my background here, I have been playing this thing on loop. That's my friend Callum, who is a musician, and he appeared in one of my videos before. Just check it out right here in this tag. He's an excellent musician and his video is really, really good. And if you think it's really, really good, the next one he does will be even better. And so just show him some love, guys. Show him some support. That's Callum. He's on Instagram as well. I'll put his video at the end. Alright, guys, so I must say a big thank you to all of you if you've made it to this part of the video. And if you liked it, guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share the video with your friends. Just spread the word. And don't forget, guys, you can always leave your comments down below. I would love to know what you guys think, if you've ever had like a racist experience and it was addressed. So that's it, guys. Ça me plaît beaucoup. I don't know why I said that. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate the support. So don't forget to add me on Instagram. I don't know, just add me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys next week. Ciao, ciao.
Je peux pas faire ce que je veux, j'en aurais tellement envie là, mais je peux pas le faire dans l'immédiat. Excusez-moi, vous me permettez, on me dit que je peux pas m'amuser, j'adore être ici, mais j'avoue que je serais mieux allongé dans mon lit. Ouais, c'est vrai, je suis bien en chemise, mais je préférerais que ça parte en stress. Dis-moi que c'est vendredi, que toutes les choses sont permises. Je t'avouerai que j'ai une grosse envie, mais je peux rien faire parce que je suis dans tes affaires. Dis-moi qu'on est, ça me dit que tout est permis. J'aimerais faire une folie, madame t'es jolie, jolie, ensemble faisons une folie, 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 folie.